Dear students, welcome back to Digital Electronics and Logic Design online video lecture series. In this class, I am going to discuss about the signed binary numbers. So far, we have discussed only the positive binary numbers, or if you know the positive decimal number, then how we have to convert that is into the binary form we have studied. The representation of negative binary numbers is also equally important compared to the positive binary numbers. There are many ways to represent those negative binary numbers. When we are representing the negative binary numbers, we have to consider one additional bit for it polarity, that is for negative symbol. That bit will be most significant bit in the representation. Here the point is very clear. So far we have studied the how to represent the positive binary numbers, and the representation of negative numbers is also equally important. The negative numbers can be represented by using signed number systems. There are two methods to represent the negative binary numbers. There are two methods to represent signed binary numbers, mostly that is for negative binary numbers. First method is called sign magnitude form. Other method is called complement form. Here the point is, so far we have discussed how to represent the positive binary numbers. In this class, I am going to explain how the negative binary numbers can be represented. The process of representing the numbers with their sign is called the sign binary numbers. Anyway, binary numbers will be two types. Binary numbers, in case of signed binary numbers, there are two types. One is positive binary numbers. Whatever so far we have studied, all comes under the positive binary numbers. The next one in signed binary numbers, next one is called negative binary numbers. How the negative binary numbers can be represented? Negative binary numbers. For example, if we are having the 4, we know how to represent, that is in the binary form, that is 100. It is default, it is a positive. If you wanted to represent -4, we don't know the procedure. In this class, I am going to explain how the negative binary numbers can be represented. That means how the signed binary numbers can be represented. There are two ways to represent the signed binary numbers. One is magnitude form or signed magnitude form. Signed magnitude form. Second method, using complements form, we can represent the signed binary numbers. In two ways, signed binary numbers can be represented. Signed binary numbers, mostly negative binary numbers, can be represented in two ways. One is sign magnitude form, another one is complement form. In complement form, again we are having the two more methods, and we know the two complements, that is ones complement. Using the ones complement method, we can represent the negative binary numbers. By using the twos complement method, we can represent this negative binary numbers. So here the point is very, very clear. There are actually three procedures to represent the signed binary numbers. What are the three? First one is signed magnitude form we can represent, and second one is by using the ones complement form we can represent the signed binary numbers. By using third procedure, that is by using the twos complement, we can represent the signed binary numbers. I am going with the example. I am going with the example. For example, plus 4 is there. In sign magnitude form, plus 4 means what it is? Plus 4, it is simple 4 means it is plus 4 only. In sign magnitude form, that 4 is 100. It is 4, but we are saying it is plus 4. Default it is positive only, but that positive can be represented with the signed bit 0. That means what? In case of sign magnitude form, first bit defines the sign of that binary number. Remaining 3 bits represent the magnitude of that number. Magnitude means value of that number. 100 means it is 4. Which 4? 0, 4. 0 means it is positive. If in place of 0, if we have the 1, that will be the minus 4. So that if you wanted to represent minus 4 in the sign magnitude form, minus 4 represent 100, minus can be denoted with 1, and this MSB bit here called as a sign bit. It is sign bit. If sign bit is 0, the number is positive. If the sign bit is 1, the number is negative. In case of sign magnitude form. Coming to the complement form, that means what? If you go with the plus 4, in case of ones complement form, plus 4 means it is 0 sign bit and it is 100. In case of twos complement also, and the sign bit is 0 and the 4 is nothing but 100. That means what? Whenever we are representing the positive values, plus 4 in the sign magnitude form, plus 4 in ones complement form, plus 4 in the twos complement form, all are equal. That means what? When you are representing the positive binary numbers in 3 ways, the answer will be same only. So that these signed binary numbers can be specifically used to represent the negative binary numbers. See this one here, plus 4 in signed magnitude form, 0 is the sign and 100 is the magnitude, that is 4, plus 4. In ones complement form also, 0 is what? Plus, and the magnitude remains same, 100. That means what? By making use of ones complement and twos complement, we can represent the negative binary numbers, but the positive binary numbers remain same as the sign magnitude. Here the point. But if you wanted to represent minus 4 in the ones complement form, minus 4 means what? Sign bit is 1. If sign bit is 1, the number is negative. Just now we studied. If the sign bit is 1, the number is negative. 100 means 4 means 100. But here by using the ones complement, that means what? Sign bit remains same. In ones complement means 1 will be 0, 0 will be 1 and 0 will be 1. This is what? It is the minus 4 in ones complement form. Minus 4 in ones complement form. Then if you wanted to represent the same minus 4 in the 2's complement, minus 4 in the 2's complement, 1 remains same because it is a sign bit. It is a minus, 1 means minus, and it is 4 in the 1's complement, but we require to represent the 4 in the 2's complement. 2's complement means plus 1 here. So that here you can get here what you can get 0, 1, 1, 0 means again you will get this 1. That means what? Here minus 4 in the 2's complement is this one. In the sign magnitude form and the 1's complement form and the 2's complement form, first bit MSB bit can be treated for the sign bit. First bit or MSB bit can be used to have the information of sign. If the first bit or the sign bit is 0, the given binary number is positive. If the sign bit is 1, then the given binary number is negative. We should go. Then first one I am going with the sign magnitude form. Here the point is very clear that in representation of positive binary numbers, the three procedure remains same only. What are the three procedures? Sign magnitude form, and the next one is 1's complement form and the 2's complement form. In these three ways you will get the same answer. Whereas in representing the negative binary numbers, only sign bit remains same, and remaining in the sign magnitude form and remaining bits represents the magnitude. In 1's complement form, magnitude will be in 1's complement, and in 2's complement form, the magnitude will be in 2's complement form. Then I am going with the sign magnitude form. First method I am going with the individual examples. I am going to discuss this one. This one, sign magnitude form I am going. Representation. In sign magnitude form, first bit can be treated as it is a sign bit. It is a sign bit, and remaining bits except the sign bit, remaining bits are called as magnitude of that number. Magnitude is nothing but what? Value of that number. So here in this case, if this sign bit is 0, the given number is positive binary number. Sign bit is 0 means what? The given binary number is positive number. Next one, if this sign bit is 1, we have to consider the given binary number is negative binary number. It is a negative binary number. Except this bit, whatever the bits are there in the complete number, that will be magnitude or value of that number. For example, I am going with the one particular example. See this one. Sign magnitude is 0, and the remaining bits we are having 1 1 0 1 1. Assume that. Then what will be its equivalent? So now I am going to give the sign bit is what? 0. So that number will be positive. Then what is its equivalent value? We should find out. This is what it is. It is 2 power of 0. It is 2 power of 1. It is 2 power of 2. 2 power of 3 and 2 power of 4. 2 power of 4 means what? 2 power of 4 means it is 16 plus 2 power of 3 means 8. And 0 into 2 power of 2, it is 0 only, plus 2 power of 1 means 2, and the 2 power of 0 means 1. How much? 24, 26 and 27, plus 27. The given number is what? Plus 27. Then I am going with the another example now. I am going with the another example now. Here I am having the number, this is 1, sign bit is 1. And it is having 1 0 0 1 1. It is the question. Then what will be the answer? What will be the equivalent signed binary number? We should understand. See this one. Here the sign bit is what? Sign bit is 1. So that result will be negative. If the sign bit is 1, the given number is negative binary number, so that we have to consider negative, and the remaining bits are nothing but it is a magnitude. That is what it is: 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 3 and 2 power of 4. Here zeros are there, so no need to consider. 2 power of 4 means what? 16 plus 2 power of 1 means what? 2 plus 2 power of 0 means what? 1. That is what? It is minus 19. In sign magnitude form, you have to understand that the first bit is nothing but it is a sign bit. If the first bit is 0, the given number is a positive binary number. If the sign bit is 1, the given binary number is negative. Except the sign bit, remaining bits are nothing but magnitude of that number. Magnitude of that number only. That is nothing but it is a sign magnitude form to represent the negative numbers. Here this is what? It is a representation for the positive number. 0 followed by the magnitude. It is a representation of positive number. 1 followed by the magnitude of that number. That is a representation of negative number. So that first method to represent the signed binary numbers completed. The first method is what? It is signed magnitude form. Next one is what? By using the complements we have to study. How the positive numbers and how the negative numbers can be represented. Then I am going with the complemented forms. So what is the first method? By using the ones complement method, we have to represent the numbers. Example, I am going with the complete structure. Example, here in ones complement form, that means what? Here, as we know that if this is a signed bit, and here the magnitude represented in ones complemented form. In case of ones complement method, first bit obviously that is sign bit only. Remaining bits are nothing but magnitude. But magnitude is represented in the ones complemented form. If the sign bit is 0, the given number is positive. If the sign bit is 1, the given number is negative. So similar to the very similar to the sign magnitude form only. For example, I am going with the representation of a number. See this one, plus 27 is there. Plus 27 we have to represent in sign magnitude form. And ones complemented form. Which one it is? Positive 27. The positive numbers can be represented in sign magnitude form, ones complemented form, and the twos complemented form remains same only. In the note we have discussed. There is no change in the representation of positive numbers in sign magnitude form, ones complement form and twos complement form. In these three representation, positive binary numbers can be represented in very similar manner. Here plus 27, plus means what? Obviously it is 0, and 27 can be written in binary form. 2 13s are 1, remainder is 1, and 2 6 the remainder is 1, 2 3s the remainder is 0, 2 1s are 1. But 1 1 0 1 0 1. This is plus 27. It is plus 27 in ones complement form is same, twos complement form is same, sign magnitude form is also same. But there is a change in representing the negative binary numbers. Now take the minus 27. Minus 27 means what? Sign bit is what now? Minus means we should go with what? Here Sine, this is minus means 1. 27 is nothing but double 1 0 double 1. This is what it is, minus 27 in sine magnitude form. In sine magnitude form. Then what its equivalent? Minus 27 in one's complement form. 1 is remain same. In one's complement form means we have to write this magnitude in one's complement. 1 1 means 0 0. 0 means 1. 1 1 means 0 0. That means what? Now it is minus 27 in one's complement form. The same minus 27 in 2's complement form. Minus means 1 only. And it is minus 27 in 1's complement, but we should represent minus 27 in 2's complement. 2's complement is nothing but 1's complement plus 1. This is a 1's complement plus 1 will be the 2's complement, so that plus 1 add here. So that 0 0 1 0 1. Now see this one. Now we have represented minus 27. Minus 27 in sine magnitude. Minus is nothing but it can be represented with the sign bit, that is 1 1 1. So that it is a minus. 27 in sine magnitude form, simply it will be converted into the binary, so that it is a minus 27 in sine magnitude form. In next case, minus 27, minus remains same, that is 1 remains same. 27 is represented in one's complement. This is a 27. It will be represented in one's complement means where is 1 is there, it will be replaced by 0. Where is 0 is there, it is replaced by 1. This is minus 27 in 1's complement. Coming to the minus 27 in 2's complement. Minus means 1 remains same. It is in 1's complement. 2's complement means plus 1. 1's complement plus 1 will be the 2's complement. That means what? Negative numbers, negative binary numbers can be represented in sine magnitude form, 1's complement form, and the 2's complement form. And in these three variations, see this one, 1 double 1 0 double 1. It is minus 27 in sine magnitude form. 1 double 0 1 double 0. It is minus 27 only again. In it is 1's complement form. And 1 double 0 1 0 1. The same minus 27 in 2's complement. But plus 27, this is the plus 27, remains same in the 1's complement form, 2's complement form, and sine magnitude form. That means what? Whenever we are representing the negative binary numbers in the sine magnitude form, 1's complement form, and 2's complement form, we can get the three different answers. But whereas if we represent the positive binary numbers in the sine magnitude form, 1's complement form, and the 2's complement form, answer remains same only. So that we will be using the 1's complement form, 2's complement form, and sine magnitude form particularly to represent the negative binary numbers only. So this is about the what we can say signed binary numbers. Then if you wanted to go with the some more points, and you can find any text, and in that you will find the many examples. Thank you, students. Tida.